Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix VLC not playing MOV files on your Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your VLC is not playing MOV files, then I will show you two to three steps you can fix these issues. First of all, you have to open your VLC player. Click on Tools option, then click on Preferences. Click on Input Codecs. Here you will find Reset Preferences. Click on this, then click on OK. After that, you can check whether your issue has been resolved or not. Still, you are facing the issue. Again, you have to open the VLC. Click on Tools. Click on Preferences. Click on Input and Codecs. Here you will find Damaged or Incomplete AVI files. Action. Ask for action. You have to select as Always Fix. Then click on Save and check whether your issue has been fixed or not. Still you are facing the issue, then you have to change your file extension. Suppose if your file extension is MOV, then you have to right click on that, then click on rename. Here you can see extension. You can just delete and type it as AVI. Then click on yes and check by playing this video in your VLC media player. Still you are facing the issue, then rename it as it is and open your VLC media player. In this you can see your media. Click on this, click on Convert and Save, click on Add and select the video. Add. Here you will find Convert and Save. Just click on Convert and select the location where you want to save. Then click on Save. Then click on Start. It will take some time to convert. After completion of this, you can play your video again. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix VLC not playing MOV files on your Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.